Spacesuits are cool. They're also probably the most technologically advanced apparel on the planet, until Nike comes out with those self-lacing shoes. But the fact is, none of them are cheap. A spacesuit costs $12 million to make. Spacesuits are expensive because they're not just clothes, but complex, human-shaped aircrafts. Spacesuits help astronauts in several ways. Spacewalking astronauts face a wide variety of temperatures. In Earth orbit, conditions can be as cold as -250 degrees Fahrenheit. In the sunlight, they can be as hot as 250 degrees Fahrenheit. A spacesuit protects astronauts from these extreme temperatures. Spacesuits also supply astronauts with oxygen to breathe while they are in the vacuum of space. They contain water to drink during spacewalks. They protect astronauts from being injured from impacts of small bits of space dust. Space dust may not sound very dangerous, but when even a tiny object is moving many times faster than a bullet, it can cause injury. Spacesuits also protect astronauts from radiation in space. The suits even have visors made of gold to protect astronauts' eyes from the bright sunlight. The formal name for the spacesuit used on the Space Shuttle and International Space Station is the Extravehicular Mobility Unit, or EMU. A single EMU spacesuit is constructed from various tailor-made components produced by over 80 companies. The EMU consists of 18 separate items. The white suit weighs 275 pounds, approximately 124.8 kgs, on Earth and has a product life expectancy of 15 years. But spacesuit NASA currently uses are more than 40 years old. 18 suits were developed for the Space Shuttle program in 1974 and have vastly overworked their original 15-year-old life design. Suit number 1 was only used for certification, while Suit 2 was destroyed during ground testing. 2 suits were lost in the Challenger disaster in 1986 and another 2 in the Columbia disaster in 2003. The most recent spacesuit loss was Unit 17 during SpaceX 7 cargo mission mishap. For the remaining 11 suits, the damage is mounting, with 7 in various stages of refurbishment and maintenance. That leaves only 4 flight-ready spacesuits aboard the International Space Station. NASA has invested about $250 million developing the XEMU suit for its Artemis program, which plans to take humans back to the surface of the moon by 2024, with a view to eventually go to Mars. $250 million. In the end, I have to say, one small leap for mankind is one giant cost for NASA.